Welcome. In this updated guide, we will discuss how to fix Twitter app not responding issues. Follow these top ways to troubleshoot and resolve problems when the Twitter app is not responding. 1. Check your connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection when using the Twitter app. A strong connection is essential for the app to respond promptly. 2. Update Twitter to the latest version. Make sure to update the Twitter app to the latest version available in the App Store. Updates often contain fixes that can address app responsiveness issues. 3. Restart your phone. Restarting your phone can help refresh its system and settings, potentially resolving any issues causing the Twitter app to be unresponsive. 4. Close and reopen. Twitter. Close the Twitter app completely and then reopen it. This simple action can refresh the app and may help resolve unresponsiveness. 5. Free up storage space. Ensure your device has enough available storage space for the Twitter app to function smoothly. Clearing out unnecessary files can improve the app's responsiveness. 6. Check permissions. Verify that the Twitter app has all the necessary permissions enabled on your device. Granting permissions like access to storage and location can enhance the app's responsiveness. 7. Background data. Enable background data for the Twitter app in your device settings. Allowing background data access can help the app respond effectively and address any unresponsiveness. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Twitter app not responding issues. Stay connected and engaged on Twitter without encountering app responsiveness problems. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions help you enjoy a responsive experience on the Twitter app.